Every year, the textile industry powers global fashion but leaves behind a significant environmental footprint. From the air pollution to the wastewater contaminations, the challenges are vast, but so are the opportunities for change. By transitioning from fast fashion to sustainable fashion, we can reduce textile waste by contributing to a healthier planet. Let's imagine fashion, not just the industry, but as a force for environmental good. As you can see, these are the discharge standards for Malaysia and China. How do we minimize waste in textile industry? Well, it begins with a physical process, which is sedimentation and filtration, where it removes suspended solids and visible impurities, paving the way for more advanced treatment stages, like the mechanized screens, which are engineered to filter out large debris and solid particles from the wastewater. Following that, the equalization tank that serves as a holding basin. Following that would be the anaerobic hybrid reactor, which is efficient solution for treating textile wastewater. It uses microorganisms to break down the pollutants, and it also lowers costs. The following all of that is the aeration tank and the secondary clarifier, which is an important and critical component for the wastewater treatment, designed to separate solids from the treated water. After the biological treatment, it allows the suspended particles and sludge to settle at the bottom. Following that would be the submerged ultrafiltration that uses a semi-permeable membrane to filter out fine particles, bacteria, and viruses from wastewater. This method produces high-quality treated water, minimizes the chemical use as well. Finally would be the reverse osmosis, which is a high-efficient water treatment process that removes dissolved salts, contaminants, and impurities by forcing water through a semi-permeable membrane under pressure. The second way to minimize waste is to recycle the textile scraps. The textile scraps repurpose waste fabrics into new products, reducing environmental impact and promoting sustainability. The process involves collecting and sorting textiles, shredding them into fibers, and reusing or chemically recycling them to create a new material. Benefits include conserving resources, reducing landfill waste, supporting a circular economy, and saving energy. Recycled textiles are used in fashion, industrial applications, and home refurbishing, contributing to a greener and more sustainable future, making it a practical and impactful solution for the textile industry and the environment as well. Thank you.